Well, hey there, it's Blender Pro University. What's going on, guys? I hope you're having a wonderful day today. And today we're going to making a realistic cave in Blender. So when you open up Blender, this is what you're going to get. To exit out of any of this, you just click on anywhere. And we are going to use the default cube. And so what we want to do is go to Tab into Edit Mode, select the faces right here, and then left click the accidentally subdivide it. Left click here, hit X, faces. Left click here, X, faces. So now it's a tube almost. And so what we want to do now is select each point right here. And we are going to hit E extrude, like so. R to rotate. Hit E to extrude, hit R to rotate, and so that's it right there. Hit Tab into Edit Mode, select the camera, you make sure you go to the viewpoint that you want to go to Control Alt 0. Alright, and then next what you want to do is select the cave, and go down to our modifier and go to subdivision subsurf, and we are going to do this 6 times. Next, what we're going to do is add a displacement modifier, and then go down to this checkerboard right here, like so. Next, what we want to do is hit New, go to Clouds, like so. And we wanted the depth to be 10, like so, and we want the size to be 1, like so. And there you go. The goal is to make this as realistic as possible without textures, because with textures, it complements the Alright, there you go. Alright, there you go. And now if we hit F12 render, that's what the cave looks like. And so what we need to do is add some lighting to the scene. So what we want to do is go Shift A, add light. I'm not sure if we want a sunlight or a point. We're going to try a point. And then we're going to hit Z to render, like so. And that looks pretty cool. And so what we're going to do is Shift D, select. Alright, and then G. Alright, there you go. Now next what we're going to do is we're going to add our crystals. And so in order to add our crystals, what we want to do is go to Shift A, Mesh, Cube. Then what we want to do is go to Modifier, go to the Modifier, and go to Subsurf. And we are only going to do this 3 times. I thought about doing it 2 times, but I wasn't sure. Next, what we want to do is add a displacement modifier. We're basically doing the same thing, but I'll show you what we're doing in a second. And then go to Clouds. And then what we want to do is go to S, Scale, like so. And scale it down like that. And then next what we want to do is go to Shading, go to New. I'm going to type this crystal. And then with this one, what we want to do is click on this, hit X to delete it, Shift A, go to Shader, go to Emission Shader, and connect this right here to the surface. And then we are going to do a yellowish orange. And then what we want to do is we want to go to the camera icon, go to bloom, and turn on the threshold. And then we turn on the strength like that. And there you go. There you have it. You have your crystal. Let's go to our layout here. See, it looks really nice right now. And so what we're going to do is we're going to size it up. And G to scale it down. Shift D to duplicate it. Like so. R. S. Shift D. Scale. Duplicate. R. Like so. And what we want to do is we want to actually colorize the lights so it gives a distinctive color, like so. There you go. So it matches with the lighting in the crystals and stuff. And so next what we want to do is add our textures. So if we go to our textures, go to images, go to rock textures, rock texture. Alright, and alright, this one looks really nice. So we go to save image as, and then we go to our folder where we want to save it at. New folder. New folder. Name it rock. Save it as. Alright, and next what we want to do is our rock rough map. Alright, and what we're going to do is we're going to choose this one right here. This one's a nice one. Save image as. Save image. And next what we're going to do is our normal map, because this will define our textures. Alright, this one looks good. Actually, I like this one better. Actually, I can't use that one. Actually, I like this one a lot better. I can't use that one. I like this one. Actually, I like this one. So, there's a lot of references that you guys can pick from. That's the beauty about 3D art, is you guys don't have to do something dramatic. Alright, and next what we're going to do is select this, hit A, U, unwrap, go to UV image editor. Naturally what we're going to do is U, unwrap smart. Alright, there you go. The next what we're going to do is shading. Shading, we're going to do a cave. Cave, it's very good to organize your stuff because it makes it easier to do stuff. And shift A, input, texture, image, and then connect this to right here, and then it'll go black, and that's what you want. And then go to open, go to the folder that you saved your images. Alright, there you go. And there you go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to size up this image. That looks pretty good, not gonna lie. That looks pretty decent already. But we're gonna spice it up. And so if I can render this one right here, this is what the cave will look like. But you'll see a difference in the cave. And then Shift A, we're gonna add our rough map. And then go to rock, rough map. Alright, and then with the color space we go to non-color data, and then what we do is we go to roughness like so, and then next what we're going to do is add our normal map. Shift A, texture, image, and then open up the normal map like so. Alright, non-color data as well. And then with this one we had to do a vector normal map node. I don't know why, but this is what I figured out that works the best with your normal map. Alright, and then now if you hit F12 render, you can't see it right now, but if there was light reflecting off of it, actually you can see it on the edge right here. You can see it on the edge right here that it's much more defined and stuff. And you can kind of see it right here a little bit and right here a little bit. And you didn't see that before. So that's basically how I might actually edit the crystals. Shift D, duplicate. G. And then what we're going to do here is going to do something really cool. Alright, there you go. G, move down. R to rotate it. Alright, there you go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do something really cool. Cube 2. Remember that it's Cube 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to select the camera. We're going to go to the camera. Go to depth of field. Alright, like that. And actually it looks already good right now. So... And actually it looks good right now. Not gonna lie, I didn't need to do anything. That's really the case. So what you do is, I'm gonna show you anyways, is you select this right here, go to cube 2, and it will select the cube and make that in focus and stuff. And so now what we do is hit F12. Alright, and there you guys have it. You guys have yourself a realistic cave. Guys, if you like this video, please give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with your friends and family. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll be making more video in the near future. And leave a comment and see what you want to like to learn in Blender, and how much experience do you have with Blender. And thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.